How to use promo codes in PolyBuzz AI. Want to unlock discounts and rewards in PolyBuzz AI? Here's how to use promo code. So first, go ahead and log into your account on PolyBuzz. So click on this login button at the top right of your screen, and then go ahead and log into your account. You can go ahead and enter your email address and your password manually. You can also continue with your Google account or Apple account if you have created an account with such platforms. So once you're signed into your account, click on the subscribe button at the left side of your screen. So this will take you into the section. So in here, go ahead and select the subscription that you want to avail. So click on subscribe under that subscription. And then in here, go ahead and enter your card information for the payment of the subscription. So after that, you have the option to use the promo code that you have received. So go ahead and enter the promo code into this section and then tap on apply. So your discount or credits will appear instantly either on your subscription or unlock features. And that's it. Using promo codes and PolyBuzz AI is quick and easy. Save money and maximize your AI tools.